In this video, we're going to go over partial fraction of repeating linear factors. First, we're going to factor the denominator completely. And we can rewrite this as 5x minus 6 over x times x plus 2. Note that if we had like 1 over x cubed, then the setup for the partial fraction will be a over x plus b over x squared plus c over x cubed, because 1 over x cubed is the same thing as 1 over x times x. So for our case, we're going to rewrite our setup as a over x plus b over x squared plus c over x plus 2, because x is the repeating linear factor for our case. Now, when I multiply both sides by the least common denominator, then left-hand side, we ended up having 5x minus 6, and note that our least common denominator is x squared times x plus 2. On the right-hand side, we have a times x plus 2 plus b times x plus 2 plus c times x squared. Now I'm going to let x equal 0, then left-hand side we have 5 times 0 minus 6. A term goes away because a times 0 and the rest, right, whatever multiplied to 0 goes away. Then we have b times 0 plus 2 and then plus c times 0. So now we can solve for b because a and c are eliminated by letting x equal 0. And we have negative 6 equals 2b. Divide both sides by 2. Then we know that our b equals negative 3. Now I'm going to let x equal negative 2. Then we have 5 times negative 2 minus 6 equals, we eliminate a. We were able to eliminate b as well. And now we have c times, don't forget to put parentheses there, and then square. So we have negative 16 equals 4c. Once you divide both sides by 4, then we know that c equals negative 4. So in order to find a, what I'm going to do is just write 0 x squared for my left-hand side. I'm going to use that part. And I'm going to use what I'm going to box for my right-hand side. There are multiple ways of doing this. You can distribute this fully, or you can look at only constants with x or constants. But I'm going to show a different way, and I'm going to rewrite what I underlined in blue or boxed in blue. And then I'm going to divide both sides by x squared, or each term by x squared. Then we get 0 equals a plus c, and we just found out that our c equals negative 4. When I add both sides by 4, we know that our a equals positive 4. So now we know that we can substitute our a, b, c values to our setup. So it'll be 4 over x plus negative 3 over x squared plus negative 4 over x plus 2 is our final answer.